All right, content creators. Today I'm going to reveal some of the most powerful AI tools that will elevate your content game to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tools are absolute game changers, so let's dive right in. First up we have, this AI can help you brainstorm video ideas, write scripts, and even come up with catchy titles. Imagine having a personal assistant that never gets tired and is always ready to pitch in. Just type in your topic and watch the magic happen. Next, let's talk about need custom thumbnails or unique images for your videos? DALL-E has got you covered. This AI can generate stunning visuals based on any description you provide. No more spending hours in Photoshop trying to create the perfect image. Just let DALL-E do its thing. Moving on, we have this tool is perfect for editing your videos. It transcribes your audio into text, allowing you to edit your video by simply editing the text. Cut out filler words, rearrange sentences, and even remove background noise with ease. It's like having a video editor and a transcript service all in one. Now, for those of you into podcasting or voiceovers, check out. This AI tool offers top-notch transcription services that are fast and incredibly accurate. You can also translate your content into multiple languages, making your content accessible to a global audience. How cool is that? And let's not forget about these are your go-to tools for optimizing your YouTube channel. From keyword research to analytics, these AI-powered platforms help you grow your channel and reach more viewers. They provide insights on what's working and what needs improvement, so you always stay ahead of the game. Finally, let me introduce you to Canva is already a favorite among creators, but did you know it has AI features that can automate your design process? From resizing images to creating branded content, Canva's AI tools make design effortless and fun. So there you have it. These AI tools are not just fancy gadgets, they're essential for taking your content to the next level. Start exploring these tools today and watch your creativity skyrocket. Remember, the future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace it and let your creativity shine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.